Properties of scalar triple product. To show that the scalar triple product first is independent of the position of dot and cross. Second is unaltered so long as the cyclic order of factors remains unchanged. And third is changes in sign but not in magnitude when the cyclic order is changed. Proof. Let A, B, C from a right handed system of vector such that A equal OA vector, B equal OB vector, and C equal OC vector. Then if V be the volume of parallelepiped with OA, OB, OC as quaternions edges, we have V equal A scalar product ABC. Again ABC then if V be the volume of with OA, OB, OC as quaternions edge. We have V equal scalar product ABC, again BCA and CAP from right-handed system of vector rats, and so by a similar argument the volume of the same is also by scalar product BA and CAP. Thus, V scalar product A B C equal B C A equal C A P. Since dot product is commutative, one. Where is one? This is. We can write in the bracket keeps. Product A B dot C equal B C dot A equal C A dot P. It means A B equal A B, C equal B C A. Furthermore, we see that ACB and BAC and CBA are left-handed system of vector, and hence we have minus P A product C dot P equal P product A dot C equal C product P dot A. Third, since dot product is commutative from 1, V equal A product B dot C equal B product C dot A equal C product A dot P, means C dot A product B equal A dot B product C equal B dot A C product A. Second, and furthermore we see that ACB and BAC and CBA are left-handed system of vectors, and hence we have minus B A product C dot B equal B product A dot C equal C product B dot A. Since dot product is commutative, product is commutative. Third, gives where you can see V minus V A product C dot B equal B product A dot C equal C product B dot A. It means B A B product A product C equal C dot B product A equal A C A dot C product B. Four. To show that the scalar triple product, number first, is independent of the position of dot and cross. First, from second, here showing that the value of scalar triple product is independent of the position of the dot and cross, and so these may be interchanged. How? From 2 A product B dot C equal A dot B product C. How? From second. C dot A product B equal A dot B product C equal B dot C product A. Showing that the value of scalar triple product is independent of the position of the dot and cross, and so these may be interchanged. Second, this is very important. We observe that the value of scalar triple product remains unaltered so long as the cyclic order of the factors remains unchanged, and from second and fourth is and this. From second and fourth we have from second and third from second and fourth we have A cross C dot P equal minus C product A dot P, showing that by changing the cyclic order of the value, the value of scalar triple product is changed in sign but not in magnitude. The value of scalar triple product is changed in sign but not in magnitude. You can see minus sign. Remarks. Result of to express triple scalar product A dot P product C in the determinant form, we have studied scalar triple product I have explained. Remark. We have studied to express A dot B product C in the determinant form. To prove that third, we have A product C dot C equal A1, A2, A3, C1, C2, C3, B1, B2, B3 equal an interchange of two adjoint rows changes in sign of the determinant. How? See, C1, C2, C3 and A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. Rows changes the sign So minus, it means minus C product A dot B. Similarly, 1 and second can be proved. Now it's your time. Notation for scalar triple product. For scalar triple product. In view of the above properties 1 and second, the scalar triple product is denoted by like A, B, C, or A, B, C, which indicates the three factors in their proper order. Thus, A, B, C equal A product B dot C equal A dot B equal A dot B product C. A B C equal A product B dot C equal A dot B product C. We will use this notation. Second, scalar triple product when it says if any two of its vectors are equal, means scalar triple product when it says if any two of its vector are equal, A B equal 0, scalar product A B A equal 0. Proof. Let A B equal A product A dot B equal 0. B equal 0. Also, ABA equal A B scalar product, A product, A dot B equal 0 and B equal 0. Third,